How to find your PayPal account number. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel, and let's get right into this tutorial. To find a PayPal account number, firstly, you can go ahead and check out your PayPal application if installed. If not, launch your preferred browser and search for paypal.com. Now the first step over here is to log in into your PayPal account if you have not yet. Once you are in here, to check your PayPal account number, you can click on the three horizontal lines that you see in your left-hand side. From here, click on the Settings button. After which, you need to tap on the Account option. While you are in your account, you can scroll down until you see the option of Merchant ID. The Merchant ID is actually your PayPal account number. So this is how you find out your PayPal account number. If not, you can also check out your email addresses. If you find any of the email through your PayPal, you will notice that at the very top, PayPal always mentions the account number. Or you can even check out your latest statement. And just like that, you have made it to the end of the video as well. Thank you so much for tuning in. We will see you very soon.